Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how we promote Legendary Marketer and get great results just like these in 2021. So if you'll notice, today we made $27, yesterday we made $270. Over the last 7 days we made just a little over $2,600, and in the last 30 days we've almost made $15,000. So here's a couple of our emails where we have been shown that we have earned commissions. Here's one for $1,000. Here's one for $6.80, and here's one for $600. First off, our results are not typical, and your results depend on your dedication to your success with this system. With that said, here's the exact system and tools that we use to successfully make $5,000 to $10,000 per month with Legendary Marketer. First off, you'll need to be an affiliate for Legendary Marketer, and if you'd like to learn a little bit more about affiliate marketing, click on the link in the description below for the 15-day challenge. That's how you can get signed up. Second of all, you need to set up a proven funnel system. You're going to need ClickFunnels, and for that, again, you'll find a link in the description below. Here's the funnel that we use. Talks a little bit about us living the laptop lifestyle, talks about us, and basically introduces Megan and myself. And then from there, you hit the Start Now button where we ask for a name and email address. We'll also throw out there that we're offering up a free ebook, just offering a little bit of value. So once they click on that, submits, comes to our next page, which is called the Bridge page. From there, there's a little video here that Megan and I talk about our journey with affiliate marketing, how we learned it, and we also introduce the company that produces the challenge, which is what we're promoting in this particular video. All right, and there's some testimonials here, and then when you click the Start Now button, this is actually our affiliate link. Okay, our affiliate link goes into that button, and then we transfer it over to Legendary Marketer. Now, if we actually take a look at the funnel here on that Bridge page, I'll actually show you where our affiliate links, if you click right here, this is actually our affiliate link that we've put into the funnel there. Okay, this is actually the beginning of our funnel right here, and whenever you click on this button, that's where it'll bring up our pop-up. We have that there. Okay, then from there it goes to the Bridge page like I showed you just a moment ago, and this is where we insert our affiliate links for Legendary. All right, so once you have a funnel in place and you're signed up for Legendary, you'll need to follow up with your leads. We recommend that you use ActiveCampaign, which is the best email marketing software, but you have to be smart about how you use affiliate links with it. All right, so again, if you are interested in ActiveCampaign, you'll find the link below in the description. If you just want a simple system that works well and a little cheaper but very limiting, you can use Aweber. We'll show you that here. With Aweber, what we've done is we've set up a very simple email marketing system or campaign that basically, once someone signs up and gives us their information, their name and email address, then it activates this campaign. And from there, it'll start to send out automated email messages that we have created. And you can see here, it'll send one out. It may wait a day, may wait a day, may wait a day. It goes through, and you can set the different times for how you want these to go. But this is basically an automated system that will send out emails to those people as they've signed up for us. And lastly, you'll need traffic. Here's how we get ours. So we use TikTok to drive traffic with our content to our landing page here. We also use TikTok to drive subscribers to our YouTube channel here as well, to get to all of our different products that we may offer, whether it's the software or the affiliate marketing, the Legendary Marketer products. If you guys ever have any questions about setting any of this up, whether it's ClickFunnels, ActiveCampaign, Aweber, or even content creation on TikTok, leave a comment and we'll help you out. Remember, be sure to like, click the subscription button, and tick the bell icon and ask us for any help if needed. Next up, enjoy this video.